Ever felt like your brain is about to explode from too much work? Yeah, me too. Sometimes life gets so busy that we forget to take a step back and enjoy the little things. It's important to remember that life is not just about work, it's about finding balance and taking care of ourselves. Today I'm reminding myself and you of the importance of balance. I will be sharing some important insights about the necessity of taking breaks, how to make time for yourself, and why it's crucial for your overall well-being. Join me as I explore new places and eat new foods because life is too short to stick to the same old routine. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm bringing you a special weekend edition of A Day in My Life. So last few weeks से ना काफी hectic चल रहा था. So today I'm taking a break and we are heading out to explore Bengaluru. So अभी मैं दिन की शुरुआत कर रही हूँ इस गर्म पानी से, just a warm water because I just feel like having it today. Okay, let's do some chit chat. So I live here with my brother and we are planning to move to a bigger house. आसपास आप लोगों को इतने सारे स्टफ तो दिख ही रहे होंगे, ये मेरे सारे सामान हैं. सो वी रियली वांटेड टू हैव सम गुड हाउस एंड या ये वीकेंड जो है हमारा बस हाउस हंटिंग में ही चल रहा था. एंड अदर देन दैट ऑफिस वर्क्स तो रहते ही हैं, बट टुडे वी फाइनली हैव सम टाइम टू रिलैक्स एंड गो आउट. Alright, let me just go and get ready. Today we are heading to Phoenix Mall of Asia. I think I saw it on Instagram. It just looks amazing. Plus, I have few things to buy. So I was thinking कि या चलते हैं. जाने से पहले मैं अपना पानी गर्म कर लेती हूँ. After weeks of non-stop work, today is all about unwinding and exploring new experiences. I'm heading to Phoenix Mall of Asia to enjoy a day of adventure and fun. Let's talk about why it's essential to take breaks and make time for ourselves. We often hear about the importance of hard work, but why is taking a break equally important? When we are constantly working without breaks, we risk burning out, which can negatively impact our performance and overall well-being. Taking a break allows us to recharge our minds and bodies. It helps us regain our focus and creativity. Remember, it's not about working harder, but working smarter. Think about it like this. Our minds are like batteries. If we don't recharge them, they eventually run out of energy. Taking time for yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. There is a quote by Annie Lamott: almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. This quote reminds us that even we need to unplug and reset to function at our best. Today I'm treating myself to a nice meal. It's important to reward ourselves for the hard work we do. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's necessary. One of the highlights of my day out is trying Japanese cuisine for the first time. I'm excited and a bit nervous, but it's all about embracing new experiences. Trying new foods can be a delightful adventure. It's a great way to experience different cultures and add variety to your life. Plus, it's always fun to discover new favorite dishes. Why is it important to try new things? Trying new things keeps life exciting and helps us grow. It pushes us out of our comfort zones and allows us to learn more about ourselves. Whether it's a new hobby, food, or place, these experiences enrich our lives and give us fresh perspectives. Who knew sushi could be so intimidating? Let's see if I can conquer it without embarrassing myself too much. Oops. A little retail therapy never hurts. It's fun to treat yourself and feel good about what you wear. Buying new clothes is not just about the material things, it's about feeling confident and happy. Exploring and spending time with family and loved ones makes a huge difference in our lives. These moments create memories that we cherish forever. Sharing experiences with the people we care about not only strengthens our relationships but also provides a support system that helps us navigate through life's challenges. Exploring new places and trying new things with family and friends adds excitement to life. It breaks the monotony and makes everyday life more interesting. These shared experiences help us bond and create lasting memories. Plus, it's always more fun to have someone to share the adventure with. We are in the cafe and I'm just waiting for my coffee. In the midst of our busy lives, how do we find joy in the little things? It's about being present and appreciating the moment. Whether it's finding a great outfit or just enjoying the ambience, these small joys add up. Happiness is found in the little moments of life. Enjoy the little things, for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. This is a beautiful reminder to cherish the small moments that bring us joy. Balancing work and personal life can be challenging. How do I maintain a healthy work-life balance? It's about setting boundaries and knowing when to switch off. Prioritize your well-being and make time for activities that you love. Balance is the key to a fulfilling life. Don't get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. This quote is a powerful reminder to focus on creating a life that you enjoy, not just a career. Today was a reminder of the importance of taking breaks, finding joy in the little things, and maintaining balance. Life is about more than just work. It's about enjoying the journey. How do you find balance in your life? Share your tips in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this day out. Remember, it's okay to take a break and enjoy life outside of work. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more motivational content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. And as always, remember to keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious. Bye-bye.